First of all, thank you for clicking my video. In this video, I'm showing you how I straighten my hair featuring Chi. I used 5 different products to do it. This is actually a flexi rod set on my straightened hair. This is a flexi rod set on my old straightened hair. In the video, I go through this, but I don't really show the products a ton. So I thought I'd give a brief description at the beginning of the video. I started with Infra Shampoo. Next, I did the Infra Treatment. Some of this oil on my scalp. And let it sit for the 10 minutes. Next, after I rinsed that out, after letting it sit for 10 minutes, I conditioned my hair with the Chi Keratin. I can't remember if I did that before or after, but yeah, before the Infra Treatment actually. And then after I rinsed all that on my hair's clean, I braided it up with the Silk Infusion in it. And I did it that way. I braided it up while it was wet and put the Silk Infusion. I don't like how blow drying my hair makes it feel. I don't like how it dries it out. So I decided to let it air dry and stretch it with braids. So just to start it out, what I'm doing right here is I'm wetting my hair so that I can shampoo it with the Infra Shampoo that I showed earlier, like 2 seconds ago in the video. So I'm showing that now. It's the Infra Shampoo. And I'm just gonna set my hair up with that and shampoo it. Hi guys, so for my next step I used the Infra Treatment, and what I did was I just put this all through my hair. I sectioned my hair into sections and I applied it to my hair, and then I twisted up the section that I applied it in just so that I know, where I put it so far. Yep, so you'll see me do that. I also put this ultra growth oil on my scalp. I got that from Target. It's nothing super special. I just like the consistency of it. So after twisting all this up in my hair, I put my shower cap on and I let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then I went back and rinsed it out. So you just see me rinsing my hair. Next, after I rinsed it out, I braided up my hair. I just split it up into maybe about 6 to 8 sections and applied the Silk Infusion to each section, detangled it, and braided it up to stretch it instead of blow drying it, because I would rather braid up my hair than add the extra heat and blow dry. Plus, I don't really like the way the blow dryer makes my hair feel. So here's my hair all braided up. I got it in 9 braids, as you can see. And I'm just going to be leaving this in overnight, taking it out tomorrow and straightening it. So I didn't want to go to work with the braids. So what I did was I took my hair out in the morning and I put it in 2 French braids and did space buns at the bottom. So as you can see, I've split my hair into sections and I'm finally straightening the first piece. Now as my chaser, I am using this Denman brush thingy that I got off the Denman website that I have been super excited to try. So I start out with that to smooth the hair completely, and then I go behind it with the flag. Finally on the last piece. Dun, 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 dun. I'm finally finished, and this is the end result. I really like how shiny and silky the Silk Infusion made my hair. Thanks for watching.